Hello folks, and Richard Fontenay here. Now before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity, so if you're interested, make sure you click the first description in the link below. Now my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, three extremely accomplished internet marketers in their own right. So make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. And you can use this document to increase your sales using PLR. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. So I suggest you grab it, and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. Now the third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order, for instance, for a high value gig, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then you deliver it to your buyer, and you become the middleman. And you can pocket the difference. In bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is the crucial thing about this. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 a day in just 3 simple steps, while only spending approximately 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Not only that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, the creator of quotes that inspire is Jason Oisikel. He's a Canadian who has several PLR offerings on Warrior Plus, and who has an extremely growing following. He's also a PLR dealer, and you can access his programs and services using the PLR dealer format. In a nutshell, this is an exclusive PLR product that provides you with 100 quote images. Now these are images, so they're not Word documents in that sense. So this PLR that provides quote images, and they inspire your audience while bringing in a massive traffic from all the major social networking sites. So you can use them with all major social networking sites. There are 5 things you should know about this product. You can easily multiply your engagement with this product. You can improve your brand image. You can connect or reconnect with your audience at a new level. And you receive the PSD source files to all the quotes. And as well, this is a sensitive offer, so the price will increase. Here's a sample of this image. Now it's watermarked But when you receive your package, you will receive an improved resolution and quality without the watermarks. So this one says, do one thing every day that scares you. Now the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $7.97, and there are a couple of OTOs. One is the Quotes That Inspire and provides unrestricted PLR for $17.97. And you can get a PLR Dealer Elite membership for a special price trial at $2.99, and it'll increase after the trial. You can receive 22 unrestricted PLR lead magnets for $47.97. You can receive 24 unrestricted PLR lead magnets for $48.17. A little difference. You can get a couple of more. And you can receive an unrestricted PLR bundle for $48.22. All of these are OTO upsells. Now watch for the downsells, because you will save some money, but you might also get less product. Now if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below, and my 5 bonuses, because they'll show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily, and they'll show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And they will show you how to drive traffic after you purchase PLR. Thank you for listening, folks, and we'll meet again next time. Bye for now.